Well, Missy Moo. Hi, everybody. This little Missy Moo has been at her door, mooching around for a little while, and I kind of wondered whether she wanted to come on out again. Amaya, as I've maybe mentioned in previous videos, doesn't do that, and I want to explain to you that yes, you socialise your snake. Yes, your snake gets very used to being around you and interacting with you and accepting you as a part of their life. Absolutely. But in remembering that they're all different in how they're going to interact and how they are actually going to be. Now, Amaya is well aware that I'm here. Hello, darling. And as you can see, not a little bit flighty. That's Amaya. That is just how my girl is. And has been like that always. But she's not defensive. That is what you want, is you want to be able to go in. You want to be able to touch them. You want to let them know that you're around, that you're not going to hurt them. It's more about that than jumping onto your hand and saying, hey, cool, I'm coming on out. You know, that's my Lily, that's my Pani, that's Maya. You know, that's Jack. You know, I have snakes that will do that. Amaya, Tessa, and even Jessie. But I can certainly put my hand in there and I can touch my girl. There is no reason why I can't. She doesn't want to bite me. She doesn't want to hurt me. She doesn't want to come out either. But would I live my life around that behaviour stopping me from getting Amaya out? No. Because if I didn't do what I did and get Amaya out, as I do, I'm going to end up with a very defensive snake. That's the end of the story. Eventually, it will be unfamiliar to her. It will be, what are you doing? Who are you? I'm not saying she'll totally forget, but I don't want her to ever become defensive. And to do that is to remind her of who I am and that I'm a friend. And if just putting my hand in there and giving her a pat and chatting to her every day is enough to remind her that there's a human person in here in my life that doesn't hurt me and doesn't harm me at all. And of course, my boy is so in shed at the moment. As you can see, very, very dark. He has not gone to ground. Generally Jack will. He'll go down into this lower hide, over where the heat mat is, of course. He will thermal regulate by moving from the heat over to the cool, of course. But for right now, he has been staying up top. But, you know, Jack, I don't go a day without opening up his door and saying hello to him. It's not me going in and every time this door is opened up, I'm getting one out. I don't feel it necessary that you have to do that to say anything to them at all. I think just opening up, saying hello. You know, I don't even need to touch Jack. He is and has been around me for a long, long time. Amaya hasn't, of course. But, you know, the point of this video, guys, is just because your snake doesn't want to come out is no cause for you to decide to never bother with that snake and saying to yourself, she just wants to be left alone. He just wants to be left alone. That is not true. And you will never have a snake that will want to come out. Amaya, once she's out, she's off exploring, climbing, doing exactly what all my other snakes do, and enjoys it. She then, when I go to put her home, is like, no, I'm not going home yet, just like my other snakes. So make the effort. Make the effort to just pop in and say hello. And those little ones that aren't so sure, I don't want to come out, I don't want to come out, put your hand in. Give him a little pat. Yeah, and I'm not saying pat them like a dog. That is, you know, not what I'm saying at all. But, you know, I just give Jack a bit of a rub, say hello, and his skin will be a little bit sensitive at the moment. So, I'm just saying hello. So every day, guys, take 5 minutes. Well, if you've got more than 5 snakes, it might be more than 5 minutes. You know, I'll go, okay, give me 10 minutes of going around the room and saying hello, and opening the door as well and saying hello. They get used to it. They get used to you. Thanks, guys, for watching. And take care of yourself and your family and your friends, all your animals, your snakes. Ciao.